No. I don't think you really need flaps for anything. Landing, you could use the first level, but I wouldn't use full. Not now. You'll be okay.
Is your mate Mike?
You don't use a strap? Okay, good. So if something goes wrong, just hand me the radio.
Yeah.
Okay?
Ready?
Are you?
You guys ready?
Are you?
Yep.
Okay.
Just like right in the way.
Just chill out. Good. It might turn, so just get it straight and go. Punch it.
Holy crap.
It sounds killer.
Sounds good. I toned down the throw, so it should be way better.
This thing flies amazing.
That's with the gyro, right?
Gyro's on.
Can you put a little bit up elevator?
Keep flying, keep flying. Turn around as you speed up, it'll get normal. Keep going. You gotta let it pick up speed. Don't horse it around. So see once, is it still is it diving?
Yeah. Perfect.
Okay, go.
Yeah, it's perfect.
But the thing you gotta remember with this plane is keep the nose down. If you pull the nose up too much, it's just gonna kill all its momentum.
Oh, really? Because of the wing face?
It's bigger and it's draggy, yeah. But see how when you keep it like that, how it just loves to go, it's just going. Use gravity too, so do a lot of diving stuff. But
It flies almost just like my F-16.
yeah, landing's gonna be different, so just be ready for it.
Got it.
Just
So
be
I'm
ready
gonna go out when I land.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Just walk out there or what?
Yeah. Walk.
Okay.
So you can see it?
Yeah.
God, just doing all the work by itself.
Yeah, it's good. That gyro is really good in that thing.
It's not.
Wait, I don't think I have the gyro on.
It's on. It's on.
It is?
Yeah. Yeah, it's on.
Is it?
Yeah.
It flies perfect.
I'd pull throttle back though. Stay at about half. You're below. You don't need to be much. You're good. That's the problem. This time of day when the sun's like that. Looks good.
You gonna fly your hop?
Oh, after you're done. Just making sure the radio doesn't start saying, yeah, starts buzzing on me. It's good, Mikey. When it comes to your low passes, make it so that it'll start losing altitude by banking. Don't push down.
Okay, alright, I got 32 seconds left.
I'd hit the gear down and start coming in. So, you see him? Okay. Throttle back. Let it sink. Hit one notch of flaps.
I'm going out.
Okay, go ahead. Let it sink. Motor. Okay. There you go. That's good. Let it go. You're going to have to walk, but just go get it. There you go. If you turn too hard, it's going to tip. It's better just to let it do that. You're good. See, that wasn't bad. Good job. You're good. Just as you get used to it, add more flaps.
Good job, little man.